In today's video, we're going to be installing a film screen protector and glass screen protector on the iPhone 14 Plus. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is turn off your device. Now, let's start things off with the film screen protector. So in the box, you'll get 2 film screen protectors, 2 wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, a couple of pairs of dust stickers, and an application card / squeegee. To start with, let's clean the screen of the phone. So grab your wet wipe and wipe the screen clean of any fingerprints and dirt. Next up, grab your microfiber cloth and dry the screen so there's no moisture left over. Then grab your dust sticker to remove any bits of dust that the microfiber cloth may have left behind. At this point, I'd like to turn the phone around so the camera faces my body. Next up, grab your film screen protector, peel the top part up slightly, then make sure you've got your squeegee handy as well. Then line this top part up with your phone. When you're happy, place it down and then grab the squeegee, pop it at the top, and then start pushing slowly down the phone, which will release the back of the screen protector and stick the film to the phone. Now, if you followed this exactly, you should have no bubbles on the screen protector. However, if you do, just grab the microfiber cloth and work them towards the edge of the film screen protector. Then, when you're satisfied, carefully lift the last protective layer off. Now the screen protector is fitted, let's take a quick look. I personally really like film screen protectors due to how thin they are. They're really non-obstructive when it comes to using the phone. This film screen protector as well feels quite nice when you swipe and scroll up and down on the display. Some film screen protectors can feel a little bit grippy and a little bit strange on your fingers. Overall though, this film screen protector will easily fend off any scratches from the glass screen, meaning that your phone is going to be in pristine condition. Next up, let's install the glass screen protector that we have here from Elixir. Now, this is a bit of a different screen protector as it comes with an installation tray. This means that you don't have to worry about lining up the screen protector with the screen on the phone, and you should get a perfect fit every time. As well as the screen protector and the installation tray, you'll also get a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth, and some dust stickers as well. Now, just like the film screen protector, grab your wet wipe, wipe the screen clean, then grab your microfiber cloth and wipe the screen completely dry, making sure no moisture remains. Then you can grab your dust stickers, dab them onto the display, removing any last bits of dust. Now you're ready to grab your screen protector and installation tray. Now, because the screen protector is already fitted in here, then the last step you need to do is just remove the first tab. Then you can place it onto the phone with a tiny little bit of force, making sure it clips on okay. Then just follow the instructions by pressing from left to right, then press 2 and slide down. Do this a few times until you're happy. When you're satisfied, you can peel this bit off the installation frame, then push down on the screen protector and lift the installation frame up. That means you've got a perfectly installed screen protector without any bubbles. If there are any bubbles, you can easily push them towards the edge of the screen protector, which will release them. Now it's installed, let's take a look. What's good about this glass screen protector compared to the film one is that it's definitely a lot harder. This means that it will protect the glass underneath a lot better when it comes to dropping and damage like cracks. While I mentioned the film screen protector was definitely thinner than this, I would say this is definitely not thick. And thanks to Elixir tapering the edges, it doesn't mean that you have this massive step up from the actual screen or edge of the phone to the glass screen protector. Overall, I still prefer glass screen protectors when it comes to protecting my personal device. If you'd like to check out either of these screen protectors, check the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this instructional video, remember to drop a like and subscribe.